Hello, welcome back to a quick repair. If you say nothing special, some of you made us this GCID where you copy data from, well, battery stuff, displays, True Tone. After a couple of time, especially let's zoom in a bit, especially the battery connectors get worn out. So in this case I have a damaged iPhone 8 to XS Max connector and like to replace it because it's worn out and doesn't work good. So something you should do. I bought me an FPC connector and we will solder this on, so nothing special. So let's do this. First we're gonna connect. So I'm gonna get rid of this connector with Hotair. Turning it off, not on. Okay. Tweezers. Okay. To take a while. Goodbye. That out of the bag is harder than soldering, but I think we'll accomplish this quest. Okay, that's a nice new connector. Shall we zoom in a bit? Yeah. Connect here. Position, going down with the air. I'm gonna start far away, that I do not blow my connector away. Now we're getting liquid. Good. Careful. Very tiny, fragile. That's it. A little bit of cleaning with alcohol. And that's it. Let's connect a battery just for testing. Good connector. So we should have a little bit of a click again. Click. And good. Very good. Too good. That's it. So I'm gonna pull this out. Broken one. Get rid of that. Zoom out a bit. So a new connector. Zip. Connect the battery. Find one. Click. And it does work. So that's what we wanted. Sometimes, as I say, you have to change them because they get worn out, and yeah. Simple resoldering, desoldering. I use 380 degrees, 40 airflow desoldering, and 20 airflow with soldering back on. Your Hotairstation may be different, so don't get too excited about the temperature. It may differ. Sometimes, yeah, even the same Hotairstation doesn't have the same temperature. So that's it. Short video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.